Music producers, Curtis King at CurtisKingTV.com, and today I am issuing you a challenge that is going to require that you do some engaging in the comments. What is your survival kit as a producer? Let's play music producer versus wild. Where them sound effects come from? Let's talk about it. Music producers, I was recently watching a show that I used to love when I was younger called Man vs. Wild. Man vs. Wild, the basic premise was that they took this guy, Bear Grylls, or however you say his name, Growls, whatever. They took this man in the middle of the most outlandish, outrageous environments to see if he could survive, right? They throw him out there in the middle of freezing cold to see if he could not only battle the freezing cold, but find food. Or they put him out in the middle of the desert and say, hey, try to find your way up out of this. And every single time, he would fight his way to survival, using really the bare essentials. And what I loved about it is it showed you the capabilities of a human being and what they're actually able to endure. That being said, as I was watching this, I was like, man, this gives me an idea for a challenge for my YouTube video. So the challenge goes as this. We're gonna call it Music Producer versus Wild. And the premise is this. You are a music producer. You're getting ready to get dropped off in the middle of the damn, I don't know, the middle of the damn desert. And all you got all the supplies in terms of food and all that. So it's not like you're gonna die, but you don't have access to the internet. You don't have access to call a friend, to email you, any of all that. They even text message you. You don't got no kind of contact with the outside world. But before you leave, you are given two VSTs, 2 drum kits, and 2 plugins that you can actually use. What would you choose? So let's go to my list first and foremost. If you was gonna drop me in the middle of the desert and I had 2 VSTs to choose first, the first 2 VSTs I'm picking, Omnisphere and Contact, and whatever's up in that library. That's cheating, Curtis. Okay, Omnisphere and Contact, Alicia's keys. I'm gonna just take those. 2 drum kits. Easy one. Decap, Drums That Knock, Volume 3 and 6. Duh. What 2 plugins would you take, Curtis? Well, I'd take Endless Smile, first and foremost, because I need the cinematic effects that come along with that. And assuming I have FL Studio already with me and I don't have to worry about my DAW, I mean, I would have picked the FL Studio Soft Clipper, but we're not gonna even take that. We gonna take, since we know that's on the program, so let's take Easy Mix. Easy Mix is one of my favorite little sound effect things to do stuff with. Ooh, don't wanna take Easy Mix or don't wanna take Kickstart? I'm a little confused now. Let's just take Easy Mix. I'm gonna go along. That's my final answer. I promise it's my final answer. I think. That's my final answer. Those are my 2s. So let me ask you this. If you were stuck on a desert island, you could only choose 2 plugins to take with you, 2 VSTs to take with you, and 2 drum kits, what would it be? Leave a comment below. Let's keep this thing going. If you wanna go ahead and hit me up on Instagram, I'm at Curtis King, and you wanna talk about it on video, by all means, we should do a follow-up video, and I'll probably share it here on the YouTube channel. I think I will do that. Just go ahead and share it with me. And if you want to send it to me, just send me an email at CurtisKingTV@gmail.com and we'll put the video up in the next video. I sound good? 2s, Music Producer versus Wild. What are you taking with you to the desert? I'm excited to see what these answers are. What is the importance of this? It's probably going to help you understand what you actually need and what you need to get rid of. And stop all that damn pirating. That's why y'all got so many damn things you don't need. You don't need it. Stop that. Stop it. Okay, 2s. I love to hear them. Go ahead and leave it in the comments below. Thank you for watching today's video. Once again, this is Curtis King at CurtisKingTV.com. In this life, you will not be full of life until you decide to live life to its fullest and you decide to join the private community of Curtis King TV at CurtisKingTV.com. Duh! Once again, it's the leading voice of the online rapper and music producer community. Don't at me. Peace. Look up, Nazi. Say cheese.